More than 700,000 people will be diagnosed with liver cancer this year, making it the fourth most common cancer across the globe. Gallbladder cancer is a leading cause of cancer death in Chile, northern India, and Southeast Asia. Bile duct cancer has one of the 7 fastest rising incidence rates in the world and is highly common in Japan, Thailand, and Taiwan. These cancers affect millions, yet little awareness and funding is focused on these rare tumors.
These cancers are generally difficult to treat. Because they are less common in the United States, there isn't as much in the way of resources that's devoted to research and development of new treatments.
While some of these cancers have known risk factors, we're still learning about others.
It was difficult enough to tell a person that they have a diagnosis of a cancer, but then when they realize that it's a cancer that there's really no information for them that exists they can access, there's not a lot of treatment options for them.
Cancers of the liver, bile duct, and gallbladder have a survival rate of 5 to 10%.
Treatments were not clear, clinical trials and studies were not being undertaken, population samples were too small, and the length of life fairly short, so the patient population to do studies was difficult.
Getting a new drug approved can take 15 years and billions of dollars.
That pharma was not particularly interested because the population was small, therefore the profits for the work they would have to do to create drugs and trials and studies was not going to be profitable.
Many hepatobiliary cancer patients live in areas with little access to medical treatment. It's up to CanLiv to drive the science worldwide.
In creating a research consortium and a major international effort to start clinical trials. And while it's somewhat of an orphan cancer in the U.S., it's clearly not in other parts of the world. And we're helping coordinate and connecting with those parts of the world and make progress in this area.
I am very excited about the future of CanLiv and our ability to treat hepatobiliary cancers. And today we found that there are a number of researchers around the world that have had great insights into the treatment of hepatobiliary cancers. And now that we've all come together, we can actually begin to develop clinical trials. It's a rare tumor. It's an orphan tumor. So it's hard for one institution to design a trial to test a new agent. But when we all come together, we can get to the answer faster.
Donate now and join us in the search to cure cancers of the liver, gallbladder, and bile ducts. With your help, CanLiv can. Donate now by calling 877-751-5400 or via our website at canliv.org.